Hey Valley kids, welcome back to another math lesson. Tonight we're going to be working on the order of operations and using it to solve a number of problems, or a series of problems actually. This is what the worksheet looks like for specific things I'd like to teach you to make it most helpful to your learning experience. Let's take a look at problem B here. There'll be 4 problems in each set, but if we solve problem B, we've got to do 10 plus 6 first here because it's in parentheses. So 10 plus 6 is 16. We divide that by 2, our answer is 8. Now, when you complete these 4 problems, you're going to have one answer here that's remaining, that is not used, because there's 4 problems and 5 answers. That letter and number will go into this box up here, which will answer this stupid trivia question: what kind of TV show is relaxing to watch? All right, so that's thing 1, how to do the problem. Another thing, you're going to see some problems like this one here, where you've got to use the order of operations and you've got some division brackets or fraction brackets. Well, what you do is you complete the top first. So you have 10 squared over 5 minus 6 squared over 3. 10 squared is 100 over 5. 6 squared is 36 over 3. Now notice, now I can do the division. So now 100 divided by 5 is 20. 36 divided by 3 is 12. Giving me 8 as an answer. So make sure that you complete the top part of the bracket first, the numerator portion, and then the denominator portion, and then actually do the division. Here's another thing. It's called nested brackets. In other words, sometimes you actually have a set of parentheses inside another set of parentheses called brackets. The general rule on this is to work from the inside out. So in this problem, I have to work from the inside. Start with the little brackets, or the parentheses. And so I did 2 plus 1, which is 3. Notice I wrote everything else just the way it was. Now, inside that bracket, I have to do the multiplication. So 3 times 2 is 6. Notice I rewrote everything just the way it is written before. Next, I stay within the brackets. 6 minus 3 is 3, so 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay? Finally, taking that same problem and combining these two things, where we have the nested brackets and then you also have the fraction bars. Take a quick peek here. We already know what this is. It's the exact same problem up front, up top there. So when we solved this, we knew that we had 6. So now we would do all of this and get our 6. Now you have it over 3, and divide 6 divided by 3, and you get 2. All right, so those little tips should help you solve all the problems on this page. You'll see what I'm talking about if you take a look down here. We'll have a couple of things. Here's one of the problems that I just did. Here's another problem where you're going to have some nested brackets. Here there's a lot of things going on, but you can do it. Do everything in the numerator, do everything in the denominator, then do the division. And that should be it. Have a good time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in class.